Hello everybody and welcome to another video. We are heading out to Hawaii today. Now before I start the video, it is the 28th as I film. Obviously lots of disruptions in the system. I do have to say that since being at work, I have witnessed my teammates go above and beyond for our passengers, and it's awesome to see. Our company is filled with those people, so appreciate what they're doing to get you guys out to destinations you want. I know a lot of our passengers are frustrated. You know, this is just Ernie speaking, obviously not for the company, but I see what our teammates are doing, and they're doing everything possible, from our flight attendants, our CSAs, our ops agents, ramp. Everybody is teaming up, our maintainers. I mean, it's been actually, that's probably, if that's the only bright spot, the bright spot is watching everybody come together and work at getting you guys to where you need to be. So anyways, thanks for your patience. We appreciate it. Thanks for hanging in there with us. But anyways, today we are in San Diego. As you saw from the last video, I flew the Green Hornet up to Vegas, ended up doing 2 legs to San Diego. The original trip that I had me going out to Atlanta, but I am on reserve. I'm on ETOPS reserve, so an ETOPS trip came up. They scrapped that plan and put me on a different plan. So when you're on reserve, always be ready for the audible, because the audible comes fast and furious. But it's a great audible, so instead of being on the East Coast under the cold, I'm going to be in Maui today, and then Kona tomorrow. So it's actually worked out really good. So come with me to Maui as we get ready to roll out of here. We get the dispatch release a little bit early. I think I've told you guys that on previous videos, but I'm kind of running through mine right now and just putting in the route on our way out there. So that way I could kind of look at fuel status, all the stuff that goes into it on our way over there. So Maggie 3, and we're picking that up at Dennis. So not sure the runway yet, but here is the route on our way out there. Long way over the ocean. Our entry point, our exit point. Then I got to put our decision point in there. Anyways, that's kind of what I'm doing, just to get ready for the flight, preparing beforehand. Again, it's going to be nice heading over. We're going over to Honolulu first, and then we're going to make our way over to Maui. So 2 legs on this one, ending up in Maui tonight. The next day is a pretty cool day. We get to island hop 4 legs in the islands. I think no flight is more than 25-30 minutes long, so that's going to be a treat as well. I'll show you guys that. But anyways, I'm going to finish up my planning and then meet the van downstairs here in a couple minutes.
Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
What's up, everybody? All right, hey, we are in the cockpit now. Logbook is back in. For any ETOPS flights, we have to do a special maintenance procedure on there. The maintainers will come out and do an inspection. So they bring our logbook back. We're back. Got my procedures card up. CFO Todd. He is the expert in this cockpit right now. So he's going to make a phone call to Air Inc. And what that's going to do is kind of get us in line for our crossing, where he's going to give all the information. We're going to find out what our frequencies are, and just kind of be a little bit more ahead of the game. So I'll let him do that.
Hey, how's it going? This is Southwest 1943. We're getting ready to go from San Diego to Honolulu.
Roger, confirm your Southco is Kilo Sierra Bravo Lima.
That is correct. Tail number November 8729 Hotel.
Roger, primary would be 11282 and secondary 5547. Go ahead.
All right, 11282 and 5547. We'll talk to you in the air. I appreciate it.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
So that procedure's done. We're gonna run through this whole pre-flight, pre-departure, and then up to coast out before we roll out. And that's pretty much it. 5 hours, 25 minutes right now. And here is what it looks like on the iPad. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna actually get a little bit of a tailwind on the latter half of the flight. So looking good. We're gonna run all our stuff right now, get ready. We'll show you guys the clearance, and you know, we'll be underway here in just a little bit. Oh, check that out. Tennessee One's pulling in. Hey-o. All right, guys, we are here pulling up the jetway right now. Just pulled in. Wow, look at this. 5 hours and 24 minutes. A little bit of a long one, but it's all good. We're in the islands now. Todd gets some extended Mai Tai time, and he's gonna roll out. But we'll get another FO, and we're gonna head to Maui. And then tomorrow we'll actually pick Todd back up, and then we'll do a bunch of inter-island. So I'll show you guys that too. But anyways, that's it. It was a really nice flight. Really no turbulence to speak of, other than leaving, I should say, leaving San Diego. A little bit of turbulence out by Denti, but we coasted out at Denti. Just nice, smooth ride all the way down. Kind of interesting coming over into the arrival. Basically, we flew right over the field and kind of cut over again, entered the downwind, and then hit that ILS. So I landed on 4 right. Whoops. Yeah, landed on 4 right. Got off on Kilo. There's a gate at airplane at our gate, so we had to actually taxi down Zulu, hold short of Golf, and then eventually we came back in. So overall, very nice ride. Appreciative of Todd because he is a wealth of knowledge, especially since I've only done it twice at Southwest. So he's been great. Trained professional. So awesome, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna get the airplane ready for the next leg. We'll say bye to Todd for now.
Take care.
And we'll see him later. And we're gonna get ready to go to Maui. One more leg to go, just to Maui, right up the road. It's actually a really quick flight, 23 minutes. As you can see down there. And we're gonna be going at 13,000 feet. So here's a route of flight. Taking off here at Honolulu, go to Pele, and then it's basically an arrival into via Lanai into Maui. So expecting to land to the north, and so basically Maui's runways down there. We'll land, exit, and go to one of these gates down here typically, or we go to gate 19 sometimes as well. Real quick one, again, 23 minutes, only going up to 13,000 feet. Should be a nice quick flight. Sun's starting to go down, so it'll be kind of cool seeing the lights on the islands, doing the island thing, so that's nice. Enjoy it. Only done it once. Otherwise, in the tanker we were going back and forth. Never in an island, so it's gonna be different, gonna be new. Actually, I did it once, but can't wait to do it again and do it some more tomorrow. All right, guys, we'll see you over in Maui. It's dark, so we can't see much on the arrival, but it was all good. It was real quick. Show you this. Yeah, just a quick little jaunt from Honolulu. Again, it took us real quick 22 minutes on flying time. It says 50 minutes a block. That's because taxiing out to the long reef runway there in Honolulu is pretty long. So I'll show you that. Basically, we started off over here at a taxi all the way down to the reef runway, and we're behind American 777. So they don't taxi that 777 very fast. But anyways, here in Maui, it's dark. So welcome. We're in Maui. Starting off this trip. Inter-island flying with the man himself, Ryan. Ryan is a Travis guy, so we're like brothers.
Yeah.
C5 guy too, so we're related. Anyways, guys, we're doing some inter-island flying. So welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me. We're gonna do some quick inter-island flying today. Here is what we're doing. We're only going at 14,000 feet. It's a quick ride from Maui all the way up to Honolulu, where the weather over there is gorgeous. 77 degrees, they got light winds, it's clear-ish. few broken. Oh, partly cloudy. Let's see there. Let's pull that in. Yeah, not bad at all. So should take us about 22 minutes to get over there. Again, at 12,000 feet. Real quick one. So we're doing 4 legs of inter-island flying today. Should be pretty fun because I like the short legs, although this is quite short. But anyways, we're gonna go to Honolulu, over to Lahui, back to Honolulu, and then back over to Kona, or to Kona. So, and then we're gonna have about a 20-hour overnight there. It's gonna be nice. So, beats flying on the East Coast right now because the East Coast is getting hammered with ice and rain and all that good stuff. Snow probably. We're getting it all. It's a combination platter on the East Coast. So, anyways, all right, guys, we'll show you the clearance here in just a minute. We are ready to push. Fortunately, there's a lot of airplanes going over to Honolulu right now, so we've got a little bit of a delay, about 15 minutes before we get to roll out of here. So we get to watch all the airplanes come in. What you doing, man? Who are you texting?
The wife.
But yeah, it is nice outside. Check this out. Whee! So nice. Got our ground crew down there hooking it up. Well, yeah, we're just waiting. It's so nice. Guys, if you haven't gone to Hawaii in a while, make sure you get your tickets on Southwest. Let us take you out here, show you a good time. And yeah, it's beautiful. I love this flying. That's all I want to do. And, hey, look at that. Hey. Beautiful. Another Max coming in. We're just going to hang out and enjoy the weather. Look, I got the window open because it's so beautiful out. And we're just going to hang out for a little bit. We'll see you guys in Honolulu. We're here at Echo 3. Real quick flight. Ryan's done. He's getting to go home.
I quit.
He's going to jump on a deadhead flight all the way back to Oakland from Honolulu right now. So he is what we call dozing for dollars on the way home, which he's not upset about. But anyways, yeah, real quick flight. Took us 27 minutes, block 42, just with the taxi. And that's kind of what it looked like. Same deal, we took the ILS to runway 4 right. Landed on 4 right. There was a heavy in front of us, so we stayed high, and then fortunately I missed Kilo to get off. So got off on Charlie and then back taxied to Sierra and on into our gate, Echo 3. That's it, wash, rinse, repeat, on our way to Lahui next. All right, hey, Todd's back in the seat. What's up? The other guy couldn't hack it, so we had to fire him. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, we're on our way to Lahui. Really quick flight. Just basically out to Keola, and then we'll pick up the arrival into Lahui. It's a quick 23 minutes of flying. So we'll be at an altitude of 16,000 feet. It's time to go, so here we go. Lahui, Kona, or Kauai. It is the Garden Isle because it's raining. That's why it's all gardeny, because they have lots of rain and it's really green. So, but anyways, there is some, I guess down there by Poipu, that's the dry part of the island. So right now it's kind of a little rain shower. It's not too bad. But anyways, real quick flight. Got a lot of vectors out of here, and then we ended up doing the RNAV to runway 35 right here by Mork. Took it on in, landed Delta, crossed runway 3, and then ended up over here at gate 9. So that was it. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the airplane ready. We're heading back to Honolulu, and then one more leg over to Kona. So that's the plan right now. We're gonna get the airplane ready, head on back out. We're back in Honolulu here at Echo 7. It is the last leg, so here is the rest of the story. Went through Lahui, down to back to Honolulu, and one more leg to Kona, and we're about to do it. So I guess my take on the inter-island, it's super fun. I mean, you're flying really low. You get to see a lot of things. As we were coming out of Maui this morning, we flew along this channel just south of Molokai. Got to see some whales out there playing around. Flying into Lahui, that was really cool. You know, seeing the landscape out there. It's pretty neat. But
last leg over into the Big Island, Kona. Kind of the same deal. The runway's right on the edge of the island, so
It is?
really nice.
Oh God!
Gonna be really nice views, although it is getting dark outside, so probably won't see a whole lot on the way in. But overall, A+. I could do this for a long time. This has been super fun. The InterIsland's been awesome. Obviously, getting out here is pretty cool too. So overall, grade A, good stuff. I want to do more, but I'm too junior to hold any of it, unfortunately. So the only way I'm going to get it is off reserve, or I pick it up. But I do have a 2-day Maui coming up that I actually bid on and actually got awarded because no one else wanted it.
And trust
That's
issues.
fine. Yeah, that's fine. So, anyways, guys, we're gonna be heading off over to Kona here in just a couple minutes. We parked at gate 57, which is in a black hole of sorts, right here. So it was kind of interesting, but there you go, man. You just gotta do what you gotta do. But we're finally here. It is dark. We don't leave tomorrow until about 2 o'clock or so. So we'll have all morning here in Kona. But that's it for tonight. See you guys in the morning. Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the Herb Kelleher 737-800 Max. We're going to be taking it over to San Jose today from Kona. Had a really nice overnight. My family actually came out and hung out with the overnight with me, so that was pretty cool. But we're on the Herb Kelleher airplane, dedication to Herb, and it's going to be awesome flying it. So come along and let's go back to San Jose. We're out of here. Our passengers are coming. So a really quick flight today, 4 hours and 16 minutes. And we're heading over to San Jose. We're getting a clearance right now. Todd is expertly grabbing that. All right, there you go. So we got our clearance basically back to the mainland, except for the altitude. So each location requires a different gate hold procedure. So this one, about 10 minutes prior to taxi, we'll get our desired flight level or somewhere around that. But our dispatchers filed us for several different scenarios in case we get a little bit lower. We could go as low as 32,000 feet. We got our fuel burn there as well. So plan a little bit of contingencies just in case things pop up. And you know, obviously fuel is a big deal on this leg. It's a big deal all the time, but this leg in particular. So we're gonna finish getting all our ETOPS checks done, and then we'll be heading out of here. Again, 4 hours, 16 minutes to San Jose. That's really quick. Usually 4 hours and 50 minutes is what it takes us. So we've got a good wind pushing us. If you take a look at this, you can see the circular motion is right here. We're on that backside of that. So that's going to push us along to San Jose. Right now, San Jose's not looking especially awesome. There is that weather system moving through. So winds are out of the south. They've got 2,800 marginal VFR, so it's not really too bad. All this stuff up here looks a little bit more gnarly than it does in San Jose's. It is now nighttime. It's about 8:30. Todd did a great job flying. We're pretty much done, but we do have the deadhead. But here's what it looked like. It was pretty much bumpy from from our ETP pretty much all the way in. It's not raining actually right now. Ground's pretty dry. but the rain's coming. It's on its way, and California needs it. Anyways, it took us 4 hours 16 minutes. Pretty much on track with what the flight planners said that it was going to be. So it's a great job. Now we're going to run to our deadhead and head over to Las Vegas in the back. So we're done. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Real quick one today. Get to fly the Herb Kelleher. So that was pretty awesome. All right. We'll see you next week.